Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the transmitter and car use the same voltage, typically 12V, because mismatched power will damage gear. Next, identify the car's accessory power or radio harness. This is your power source. Once located, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then strip 1/2 inch of insulation from transmitter power leads. Make sure to test continuity with a multimeter before you attach anything. This saves time and prevents blown fuses. Now you route wires carefully, keeping power and signal cables separated to reduce interference. First, attach the transmitter ground to a clean chassis point using a ring terminal, tight and paint-free for a solid connection. Then run the positive lead to a switched 12V source so the transmitter turns off with the car. Add a 3.5 amp inline fuse close to the source for safety. Finally, hook the signal lead to the antenna or AUX input, securing connectors and insulating exposed joints to prevent shorts. With wiring complete, reconnect the battery negative and power the car. You should see the transmitter LED or status indicator. Once done, play a known audio tone or use the multimeter to confirm proper output voltage and signal presence at the antenna or AUX jack. Make sure levels aren't clipping and adjust gain per the manual. If you get no signal, first check the inline fuse, then the ground connection, and finally verify the input and antenna wiring. Those 3 fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.